I was going through the morning checks this morning and making sure that we had seed and fertilizer coming out, and came across a problem right here with that one. We lost a seed boot, and I should have a spare one on the side-by-side, but I don't. I've been borrowing trouble. We can't run like that, so that's going to cost us a trip back to the yard. We're going to have to go back and get a new one, and the truck's out of gas too. We're using these farmland seed boots instead of the very cheaply made case ones that break all the time, causing exactly this issue. So it broke, got plugged up with dirt, and then the seed boot and the secondary hose all the way back up to the manifold plug too. So that's what that was. That sweep's getting pretty narrow on one side, so I think we're going to go ahead and replace that too. Now these hoses are almost impossible to get out of these tin pipe seed boots, so to save a whole lot of hate and discontent, since it should be long enough anyway, we're just going to cut it off. Still more in there. We'll have to check and make sure there's no plug here. I don't have blockage sensors on this machine, so you gotta do it the old manual way. Get out and look at things once in a while. So there's a little difference in the quality between the two. One of them is a heavy piece of cast, the other one is a cheap piece of very light gauge tin. And believe it or not, the cast iron ones are also more inexpensive too. Get that out of the way and cover it up so we can see if it's clear or still blocked. Okay, got to push that hose in a little further because it's coming out the back, but other than that, it looks good, and we'll try to get these last 40 acres oats for the year put in.